Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how are my snipers doing today? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. Listen, today we're going to be talking about Turbo. Turbo has been killing it. If you don't know what Turbo is and you're new to the channel, look, man, make sure to subscribe. My goal this bull run is to make sure, we sell near the tops, maximize profits, and, just to inform you on Turbo and other beautiful coins we cover on this channel. But pretty much Turbo is the first AI meme coin, and it is paving the way for, the other coins, right? We've seen AI meme coins on the rise, and Turbo is the head of it, okay? Turbo is the head. Turbo has the two strongest narratives, obviously meme coin and obviously AI. And Turbo has been partnering up with lots of people like Near Protocol. It's been on lots of exchanges, getting listed on lots of exchanges. The biggest one recently is Coinbase. So this meme coin is making moves, and the official altcoin season isn't even here yet. Now, I know people are going to be asking, well, if it's making all these moves, why is price dumping? And we're going to dive into that very, very quickly, but we will go back to the big news that Turbo is, that has been coming out with Turbo. So, here's the thing, people, right? It doesn't matter sometimes what the news is for a certain coin. If the whole market's going to bleed, as we know, then the coin is going to be dropping, okay? Second of all, I believe in technical analysis, right? When the Coinbase news was coming out and, there's other news coming out, we were somewhere here, and I was already calling for it to reverse. I was saying it was going to be dumping, right? And I gave some targets, right? I gave some targets saying, this could be a potential buy area, this order block, or this candle over here, right? When I give you guys these places, you got to remember that if you want, the instant confirmation, if it's good or not, you're going to have to wait for the next video, or you're going to have to be in the Discord. Because in one of my Turbo videos, we were here and I said, listen, at the moment, there's no confirmation that Turbo is breaking up to the upside. So, I believe it's going to go further down to this area. And, it went even further down with the whole Jerome news. And in fact, the market in general just kind of got shaken out recently, right? So, bigger drops than some might expect. But you guys got to remember, overall, when news comes out, right, this is going to be the difference between a coin going 10x, 30x, and 50x, okay? Depending how much resources, how many things happen with this coin over the last few months, and especially before the altcoin season, is going to indicate whether this coin is going to reach 5 billion market cap, 10 billion market cap, 15, 20, 30, 40, right? All of these things are going to indicate it, plus the technical analysis, right? Plus the technical analysis. Now, I'll just say Turbo has some of the most beautiful technical analysis this bull run, okay? So I'm really excited for this coin. Another thing you guys have to realize is, right, context matters, right? Here, we were still kind of in, the bull run a little bit when altcoins were recovering a couple months ago. Plus, you have to realize Turbo here was roughly like 30, 40, 50 million market cap. It moving from that to the low couple hundred millions is much easier than, going from a couple hundred million to a couple billion. Plus, the timing has to be right. And as we know, we are right before altcoins are really going to start exploding. And we know the market makers are trying to shake us out. So Turbo will always get affected no matter how good the news is. Now, let's talk about the actual news that has been coming out, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys want a t-shirt from them, you could go to the Turbo shop. If not, all good. Listen, Turbo has partnered up with Katana Inu. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a battle royale game, and we can see Turbo is in it, okay? I'm going to play this video, and we're going to watch it together because I haven't seen this. I just read it. I'm going to mute it. I'm sorry, just in case copyright. But yeah, you can see the toad has arrived. All right, the toad has arrived. It's like a Ninja Turtle. It's like a Ninja Turtle, except it's better because it's going to make us money. I'm going to leave, if you want to check it out, just go on Turbo's Twitter and, you could listen to it with audio. But this is pretty damn cool if I say so myself. Turbo is officially in a crypto game, ladies and gentlemen. Also, if we go on Katana Inu, right, I saw this for like 2 seconds and I was like, all right, I gotta show you guys, right? We're gonna look at some of the gameplay. We're gonna look at some of the gameplay. So this is how the game looks. This looks like a genuine proper game. And this is a crypto game, guys. So this is huge. This is huge, huge, huge. Turbo is getting involved in the gaming narrative, right? Not too much, but slightly. So it's already like going to another strong narrative, which is gonna just boost Turbo just a little bit more, even if Turbo is just getting featured in a game. Guys, I don't know what to say, but this coin seriously is going to try to break into the top 5. It's going to be a little hard because the top 4, they're tough cookies, right? They're tough cookies. You know, we have Doge, Sheep, Pepe, and Whiff. So it's going to be hard to break that. But we will be fighting for that 5th spot, 6th spot, and it's looking damn good if I say so myself. Let's go back to Turbo. Yeah, we could see, you know, collabs with, you know, some kind of NFT thing. You know, all of these are little wins, medium wins, big wins. We can see, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Right? New listing Turbo, 200K followers. That is fantastic. That is fantastic. Look, Cryptoverse, guys, oh my gosh, if they start getting involved in like a metaverse type thing, then they're seriously going to be in another narrative. Metaverse isn't, you know, it's not really that alive right now, but being in that type of narrative as an like a 4th or 5th narrative is not bad at all. I mean, these guys are seriously making moves. As we know, you know, this was the big news that came out a couple of days ago with Near Protocol. And I mean, like, what more do you want from a coin? What more? Seriously, what more do you want from a coin? Look, another exchange listing, right? Another new listing. Turbo is on it. Turbo is on this network. 420,000 followers, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh, right? You can see they're consistently active. They are just making moves. This coin is going to be blowing up, right? If we look at Turbo right now in terms of market cap, right? It is at 600 million market cap. This is a steal. This is a steal because this should be an easy 20x more or less at the very, very conservative range, right? The things with Turbo, we still have Robinhood coming up. I don't care what people say. It is inevitable at this point. It is inevitable. I clickbaited people 2 or 3 weeks ago. Robinhood is going to happen, but there was already so much info and probability that it was going to happen. And now that all these, you know, collaborations are happening, you know, all these little narratives, you know, they're dabbling to these narratives, all these new exchange listings. I mean, like, what more can Turbo do to, you know, to put it out, you know, put itself out there? It's doing everything it possibly can. And this is why I am so invested in this coin. This is why this is my #1 meme coin at the moment. And I'm just super excited for Turbo's future. You know, people that are panicking, guys, you have to zoom out. You're too tunnel visioned. Zoom out a little bit. Zoom out. And you're going to see how fantastic everything is going to be in just a couple months. Okay. Really, it's going to be really, really great. I'm telling you, right? I believe there was one more thing, if I'm not mistaken. If there wasn't, then that is it. Then no, there wasn't. I'm mistaken. My bad, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, guys, look, man, what should you do? Right? Obviously, not financial advisor. For me, I put in my Discord. I bought more Turbo today, right? And I have a few more key areas listed just in case. But I'm going aggressive with this coin in terms of, you know, in terms of the meme category. My portfolio is still heavy into the AI sector, but in terms of meme sector, Turbo is, you know, heavy favorite in that right now. Also, one thing I want to talk about is this is what I believe is going to happen. Okay, more or less. So whatever happens here doesn't matter. We're gonna pump next rally. Then I believe we're gonna have a decent retracement. And then that is when the bigger pumps are going to happen. I believe once we respect this resistance, this diagonal resistance right here, I believe that's going to be the start of really big pumps. Okay. And that is what I'm most excited for from a technical analysis standpoint. And honestly, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. These next few months are going to be crazy. Guys, I love you so much. Thank you all for the support. If you want daily Turbo videos, make sure to like and subscribe. And ladies and gentlemen, I'll talk to you guys next time. Goodbye.